Hello Nottinghamshire Madness fans, welcome to the village of Tithby in Nottinghamshire. I'm out on the new Brompton Cloud Blue M6E, lovely bike, brand new, first time out, and haven't been let down so far, and it's absolutely lagged it down with rain. Anyway, just have a little visit into Tithby Church yard. Holy Trinity, Tithby with Crockwell Butler. Protect Your Church, O Lead Thieves Parish, Wiverton in the Vale. So here's a church. It's a very old church apparently, and the brickwork was added, I think, in the 18th century. Not the best kept churchyard I've seen. Surely local people that live here would have some degree of pride in the church. Anyway, loads of gravestones, old gravestones no doubt, some made out of slate. I guess still on COVID, so there'd be no access to the church. That's a shame. It makes me want to actually drive back over here with my lawnmower and give it a run round. Stained glass, you won't see that. Oh, there's a peculiar little figure in the stained glass, if I can get to it through the nettles. I'm going to tread on Henry Boot there, so I won't go that way. There's a little figure. The stained glass, I think, is a figure of our Lord surrounded by sheep, from what I remember. But if you look in the window, little chap here in a cloak. He is there because in memory of somebody's son in the village I seem to remember from whenever. She had that little bit of glass put in the church window. Let's see if we can see anything on the other side. I can't see any war graves. Well, not many war graves anyway, because part of the War Graves Commission and stipulations in churchyard is they have to be maintained, and the church gets paid for maintaining the war grave or war graves. So I guess no war graves mean no lawnmower. What a shame. Anyway, there's the brick tower. It has bells. I think the bells are very old as well, 16 something or other. You can see a lot of the wear in the stonework as the wind has howled around the corners. Anyway, this is a little visit to Tithby. The reason I'm here is because I'm leading a bike ride on Saturday called the Tithby Flyer, so we can come flying down the hill from Fern Road. So I'm just looking at the stones. What a shame nobody's got 10 minutes spare with a lawnmower and half a gallon of petrol. Unless there's some reason other than COVID. I don't think COVID stops you coming across here with a lawnmower though. Anyway guys, back to the Brompton. Done about 10 miles and wet through, but the sun's coming out now. This is a look up the road towards Crockwell Butler rather. That's Tithby Village. AA sign there on the front of the building. I'll take a photo of that at the weekend. Anyway, thank you for watching. Tithby Church and my new Brompton finished in cloud blue, and even has a name, McCloud. McCloud, named after the Canadian Mountie that used to be on a TV series riding on horseback through Los Angeles or somewhere like that. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and please thumbs up, and if you do like the video, please give me a like.